One. Yes. What's happening? Hello again. Welcome back to Bobby's Bicycle and Repair. I got brake pads picked out. They're actually used ones, but they're really good. They're a real good brand. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those on. All you gotta do is slip them through the hole here, and kind of lay it against the rim, nice and flush. And then the nut in the back, you just tighten it. So you keep it level. Got the bike wobbling on me here. Then you got to take your 5mm Allen wrench, put it on the brake so you can turn the nut. Just kind of like so. Then I normally test it out, see how flush it is. Well, it's kind of too high, so I gotta reset it again. Sometimes you gotta play with it to get it right. Oh. It's good right there. The other side. There's usually an angle on the pad. I don't know if you can see it. But you got to flush it according to the rim. Because the rims kind of, they sit at an angle too. Do this other side the same way. I hope I'm not boring you. Just a second here. Work on bikes, you gotta have patience. You never know what you're gonna run up against. There you go. Okay, nice and flush. And I just hit the brake lever. See how it does. It's good. Then you want to do is you want to take the wheel and you want to spin it. Make sure it's not rubbing. If it's rubbing, then you got to make a few adjustments to it. This left side's rubbing a little bit, so I'm going to head back it off to get rid of that rub. Like I said, you got to have patience with bikes. Okay, about got it here. when I put on this video on Facebook, probably have to play a song with it so I don't bore you. So you can listen to the song and ignore me if you want. Ah. Just like that. Okay, I got the brake pads on, so now I'm gonna test ride the bike and see if we got rid of that squeal. So I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye bye.